friends, this is Dr. Vikas Kumar. Today I am not going to discuss with you any philosophy. Today I am going to discuss with you a very common problem. The common problem which really bothers me, which really makes me very anxious. And the problem is every person in this country is running on a hedonic treadmill. Friends, do you know what is hedonic treadmill? It is a condition where you keep on buying things, you keep on desiring new things without really knowing what is your actual needs, what is your actual desire, what is your actual usage. Even my son, even my wife, I see they keep on buying from the internet, they keep on buying from these online websites. And what I realize, sometimes they buy the same things again and again from the multiple websites. Friends, the real problem is these days, I think it's a very pertinent problem that your mind has been hacked by these international marketing companies, domestic internet companies. They are bombing you with ideas, they are bombing you with so many incentives, they are bombing you with so many lucrative offers, and without realizing whether you need those things or not, you keep on buying the things. Friends, our festival, Diwali festival is coming, and now I see every company has started with $1 billion sale, $1 million sale. How does it matter? Why do you need so many things? Why do you need to buy things for a festival? Friends, festival was always a reason for brotherhood, to celebrate with the family, to celebrate with the friends, for a reason, for the occasion where you used to get together, to enjoy, to have a good time. It was never meant to engage into consumerism. It was never meant to keep on buying the things which you don't need. After all, why should you buy a Diwali diya from an internet marketing company? Why not support a local artisan? Why not support a poor person who really needs your money? Why should I buy lights and diyas from internet, from an e-commerce shop? Why do we make them $1 billion rich? We keep on pumping the money to these internet companies and we are not supporting the small traders, small businessmen. Friends, this is the need of the hour. Post-corona, these are the people who need your support. The small businessmen, small traders, artisans, handloom weavers, they are the people who really need our support. I always from my side make sure that I buy from my local neighborhood shop. I don't buy from internet. I even motivate my son and daughter and my wife to buy from local shops. Don't buy from the internet companies, don't buy from the online shopping companies, because they already have so much money, they already have a customer base. What we need to give the support is to the local businessmen, local people who really need our money, who really need the livelihood to survive post-corona. Friends, these are still very tough times. We need to understand the market situation. And one more thing I wanted to tell you, like artificial intelligence, these marketers are really hacking your mind. Be careful. Spend your money wisely, because money is very, very difficult to earn these days. It's your precious money, it's your wife's money, it's your father's money, it is your own money. Spend it judiciously, spend it on the things which you really need. Don't overspend. Get off this hedonic treadmill. This hedonic treadmill will take you nowhere, friends, nowhere. Please get down from this. Stop this consumerism. Stop buying excess things. Switch slowly to minimalism. I am not an ardent follower of minimalism. I also was a very bad person. I used to buy like n number of things, but slowly over a period of time I realized my folly, my mistakes, and whatever mistakes I did in my life, whatever things I realized very late, I want that you should not do the same mistakes again. Don't go overboard in buying things. Realize what you need, and on your need basis you should buy. Friends, so my only submission is, buy the things which you only need, not on the basis of what the marketers are forcing you to buy, or how the marketers are motivating you to buy. Marketers are hijacking your mind to buy the things. So my message is clear. Celebrate Diwali, celebrate festival, celebrate Independence Day, but Independence Day was never meant to go into shopping. Now what we see, Independence Day sale, Thanksgiving sale, Christmas sale. Friends, festivals are to celebrate, it's not to buy things. Push on consumerism, fair, it's not good. Let's come to practical terms. Let's realize what mistakes we are doing and slowly switch over to minimalism. That is the need of the hour. Saying a goodbye to you right now. See you next week with a new concept in a new way. This is Dr. Vikas Kumar. Namaskar.